3 Best Gaming Browsers for Professional Gamers. Everyone uses their PCs for a different workload. Some use it for recreation, some for editing, some for gaming, and more. But isn't it weird that a gamer and a corporate team member need to use the same browser? So, let's look at some of the best gaming browsers and some perks of using them. 1. Opera GX. Right from the moment you launch Opera GX, you are delighted with a classic gamey feel. The gaming browser makes sure you don't experience performance dips even during long browsing sessions on your PC. 2. Mozilla Firefox. Mozilla Firefox lost a fair share of its user base to Google Chrome as Chrome was more advanced and faster. But Firefox has taken a giant leap since it last held the crown of the most popular web browser. 3. Avast Secure Browser. Avast Secure Browser is the browsing utility from the famous antivirus maker, Avast. As expected from Avast, you get a browser that is security-centric while being swift and efficient. The best part about the Avast Secure Browser is that you will find many similarities with Google Chrome but with all the negatives eliminated. Conclusion. So this was our roundup of SMART goal examples for work with some helpful utilities. This will certainly help as research states that goal setters have a greater chance at success than people trying their best. Thanks for watching.